guys, it's currently 3:33. Today we're doing an easy review over the Syma X8C 2.4 gigahertz YFPV drone. So it comes with the drone, extra propellers in case you like bend one. Like if you like fall off a roof or something for some reason and you like bend one, you get replacements. This is not the charger, but like part of the charger. The wire part of the charger is right here. You don't need a cube. This plugs into the wall, goes into here, and then the battery plugs into here. And then that's how that works. So the charger parts, the battery, and the battery is a full max 8534 7.4 volt 200 milliamp hour battery. So that's the battery. And this thing, I was kind of confused when I first opened up the package until I realized what it was. It goes on the remote on this little antenna thing for your phone. So your phone goes right here, and then you can watch the screen. The other thing is, the drone does not come with the batteries, so I just put energizers in there, and then that'll be good. There's the two buttons on the back for the aerial stunts. There's the like altitude, up, down, and then the rotating, and then forwards, backwards, left, right. On switch blinks bold when it's paired. When it gets turned on right here, this little screen, and it tells you the battery percentage and all that kind of stuff. So that's pretty useful. And then right here, it kind of looks like a bunch of little on and off switches right here, 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 and here. That's the tuning for all that. So that's the remote. Now to the camera. The camera, I've tested it out. It's not too great. I mean, like, if you're a brand new beginner and you're wanting to buy a drone, it's like super good. But if you're, like, if you have a DJI Mavic, keep the Mavic. Don't get this. I would not recommend it if you're already an experienced quadcopter, not driver, but like flyer. I would not recommend this. The camera quality is not very good, and there's a lag. So if you're trying to go between obstacles and stuff, there's a very high chance that you would hit the tree instead of missing it because of the lag. And the drone itself, the stickers are at the front, and then also when you turn it on, I believe it's green in the front, red in the back. It is brushed. It's a brushed Syma. Battery goes right here. It plugs into this, and I was kind of confused because I thought big went with big, small was small, and I was really confused because it wouldn't go in. So I was like kind of worried because then I wouldn't be able to use it. But if you switch it, the small goes into the big, and then the big goes into the small, like that. Turn on, like that. Oh, so I was wrong. Red is the front, green is back. But that's the battery, and then there's also right here, if you can see it, there's four on, well, there's one on each side to make four. And right here, there's a little thing. This slides onto it and clicks in. I don't know if you heard that. Here, let's do it again. It's not very loud. But then it plugs into here, and then the drone gets turned on, and then it blinks, and then it gets paired, and then you're ready to fly. So for these things, it's the stands, so the legs are like this long, and it's for each of them, and then I guess it's for like landing and stuff, so you don't land on the camera, it'll land about like right here, because the legs are long enough. But I'm not going to put the legs right now because it takes a really long time to. It does come with all the screws, and it comes with a screwdriver, the screws, and then also right here, you can take this little thing out, and then you can put wing guards in. I chose not to because the wing guards are pretty big, so it's kind of like making the drone even bigger than it already is, and it's pretty large. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Haha. Alright, so that's the drone with the battery in. Turn on the drone, turn on the controller. Alright, now it's paired. I'm not going to use the camera, I'm not going to use my phone, but I'm just going to show you. And I don't know if you saw that, but it was kind of like I was straining to hold it down. It's pretty strong. The camera does use up a lot of the battery if you're using it or not using it. So if you're not going to use the camera, just don't put it on because it still sucks up energy. That's all the review I'm going to do today. If you want to see the drone in flight, or I don't know, people don't do speed tests on drones, but might be able to see roughly how fast it is, I guess. Comment, the link is going to be in the description. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'm E from FRC Outlaws. Peace out.